So my name's Brodie. I work in the warehouse at Buro Seating. My jobs entail of servicing the customers, assembling chairs, and sending out chairs in a box. We do about 100 to 150 containers in a year. Our prime example of getting chairs out is just making sure it goes out the same day as it comes in. So it's a busy, fast-paced warehouse, and we have a small team, which we also do upholstering on site, and I'm in charge of that. And one does a wrap and tack, which is just wrapping over the material over the chair, on a white chair, and then one is sewing. I love just the people that we work with. They're fun. It's enjoyable, and I love the customer relationships. You get to deal with other customers, some of the wholesalers themselves, and able to just enjoy myself, and I get family time, and that from me is the crucial part. You know, my lifestyle of being able to go home to my family at a reasonable hour, where a lot of distribution centres are 12 to 14 hour days. I get to home 4 o'clock, get home at 5, and I can see what my kids are up to, enjoy what they're doing. Lifestyle, pure, and I enjoy what I do, and the people are great, and I've got good bosses. I love being able to get home to my family. My kids, my son's heavily involved in football. He trains 3 days a week, sometimes 4. And my week is very busy with running my kids around, getting them to, and my daughter does ballet, tap, jazz, netball, running. So it's a busy life. And if I had another distribution job, I can guarantee I'll be doing a lot more hours. I'll see less of my kids and my family. So sometimes you just got to weight up the balance and see what's enjoyable for you, you know, and what works for you and your family. So my wife has a very high-end stressful job, and 2 of us having 2 stressful jobs would cause stress in our family. So as busy as my job is, it's not as stressful as my wife's job. So.